everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we will be doing another Cars vs. Something map, and can you guess it? Put your guesses in the comments, no cheating. We will not look at its face until we're actually done doing our first car. Because you guys have been loving these videos. Also the title might give away what it is. It's a demegorgon. Ouch. I can still chuck a laser at you. Oh, that's gonna make a mess. Also, I was thinking about not doing a Cars vs. Something video, just installing something else to do, but guess what? It didn't work. Also, I have a welding tool that I don't think I've used yet. Watch this. It shouldn't be coming off. There we go. Go! Oh, that was a nice twist hit. I should have gotten another gun, not the glare. We showed that in the last one. No, we had that very powerful, the incinerator. I've never used it. It sliced through. It's powerful, but I still like the glare is my favorite. I just like that like cheese, the gold cheese that it makes. But let's get into crashing. I can do this. Smash. Make sure you smash the like and subscribe button. Also, yesterday I posted a Fortnite video and it still hasn't uploaded for me. I don't know if it's uploaded because I've randomly gotten 2 subscribers since then, and I don't know if it was a Fortnite video or if something's just really off. Cause like it's not uploaded for me, although I've uploaded it. I can't look at its statistics, nothing. Does he have shin guards? What is this? Or what was that? I have so many questions. Oh, you can see the bounces on this? hold shift, you can see the bounces. You know what? We do this every time. We need a tank. Is that a coin? Oh my, I can aim like this. Go! Can we turn around? I made a hole right here at least. I thought I might be able to 360 no scope him on the back. Did my cast iron do that, or was that the tank? Yeah, that was not my cast iron, that was the tank. I want to get him on the head. I can slow down time with this. I can see every little pixel. Got your nail. What should we do? This, but let's not break it. Excuse me? I never want to look at that again. Take that. Definitely hit you. Motorcycles never work. Or you just don't know how to drive them. In the leg. I'm still going. I don't like where I came out. Oh. Nothing has changed. I definitely did not accidentally hit him with my physics gun. Everything is fine. I thought they had 3 toes. Ooh, these cars might be fast enough to get a headshot. Ah, he's a bit too close. Why don't we move him back? He just ripped off his limbs. Restart. And let's get back to destroying. We need to get... Why do I have you? Don't know why I own you. Hey, were you trying to push me into the fire? You go in. No more fire, but no more cameraman. And a big crash. Did you see that swerve? but right here we didn't really crash. We didn't go down. Look, we still have our tracks. That I can get rid of. So satisfying to break this for some reason. Also, please help. I'm broke. I get a 500-piece Lego set for Christmas, and I literally, on the first bag, it just doesn't come with the pieces. Lego is now a scammer. What just exploded? Something exploded. Stop the explosions. Whee! Yeah. I'm obsessed with this now. Does it still work? Hey, we're still going. That laser? I have so many questions. How did you get up here when I checked you over here? There we go. Yeah, I'm not gonna ask. Oh, wait, was that me? Yes, this is the tank that you can shoot. Oh, we just cut him in half. Oh, not quite. There's still a little bit. We're going out. This is a tank. It's made to withstand stuff. Not this many explosions, apparently. Wow. I'm making it more spicy. You gotta hit that. Whee! I know what we need. This truck. Dang it! Oh, there goes a piece of nitroglycerin. All I need is one to go off. So much less laggy. We need just a normal truck. I couldn't withstand a bullet, but this one, I'm pretty sure I shot at it, but it withstood the bullet, so you're coming with me. We got this. Wow, I so made it. Come on. We're watching you. Yes! It's cleanup time. His poor kneecap. Didn't know that this was that powerful. Done. I got his foot. The laser killed its own car and I have to pick it up. Wait for it to blow up. Go paint bomb. And on that note, there is no more demegorgon, so I will be ending the video here. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!